Summer 70, whatever it is. I go down the
Ugh.
Yeah, Adam wants the best.
I'll go in there on the weekend. Sandals and
All right, you white rabbits.
What the heck?
Let me show you something. Ready?
Holy mackerel!
You do it. I'll hold it. You do a funny face.
Yeah.
You ever seen me do that?
I don't want to spend that kind of money and find out it does suck.
He's got a video. Adam, it's your turn.
I'm not doing that.
He's no fun.
Do it.
He's not a part of the family, it's obvious.
I do eat a burp.
I don't have a. Wait.
I've been through 4 beds.
How do you make yourself burp? We need to do a tutorial. How to make yourself burp. I can do it. I cannot. But I do. I swallow air and I cannot get it to come back up.
I can do it.
We're having a burping contest.
Just burp on it. Just suck air down your throat. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Emily.
Because I said I swallow it. They say you don't. They said don't swallow. No, you don't
It just sticks in your throat.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to learn.
That was a good one.
Nashville and show them how we do it.
There'll
And
be
then
cameras on the strip there, and you'll get lots of money for school.
Just throw them all
That was a good
you
one.
have to come to Nashville.
Oh my gosh.
Throw them all Wisconsin.
You have to come.
I've heard so many stories that Wisconsin people move to other states and the other states